Nithyananda everyone. I once again welcome all of you for today's video. So now I have a beautiful conch here. It's called as the conch. So this instrument is basically using the wind, we convert the wind into sound. So that is the specialty of this instrument, which is called as the conch. So these conches are basically found in the seas, are found under the seas, and 90% of the conch, if you have seen anyone blowing it or used for any other purpose, they all use it naturally only. Maybe 10%, very less people, they want to make it look nice or something, they just modify it little bit. But mostly wherever you see the conch, it's all natural as it is. And in Hinduism, conch has something very interesting to do. Even before starting war, as a sign of respect, as a sign of starting the war, they just first blow the conch and then only start the war. Even if you have read Mahabharata, Ramayana, any of the war which has happened in our Hindu history, if you have seen, they'll first blow the conch and start the war. At the end of the day, if they blow the conch, that means the war is done for the day. So, and one interesting thing is, each warrior in the war, example, will have their own names for their own conch. So, example, Krishna had Panchachanya, that is also a conch, and Arjuna, his conch name was Devadatta. Bhima, Paundra. So like that, each warriors will have their own conch. So that much of importance is given to the conch. And if you have seen, even during Bandaras, during Kumbh Mela, before starting the Bandara, first they will blow the conch, and then at the end, if they blow the conch, they just get up and then they just move on. Once the conch is blown at the end, they don't even touch the food after that. So basically, conch is used for all those purposes and many more. And today I am just going to be showing you all how to blow this conch. So you see here, right, at the back of the conch there is a hole. Okay, so there only you are going to keep your lips and nicely breathe in and then exhale and leave your air into this conch, and then that gets transformed into sound, and then that is what we hear. So now I'll be demonstrating it. So that's how we basically blow the conch. And that's all about it. Thank you, Nithyananda.